In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority to tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just need to organize your own workflow more effectively, setting priorities can be a game changer. Priorities help you and your team focus on what tasks need immediate attention. Let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up in ClickUp. First, you'll want to go to clickup.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do that. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your tasks and projects. Now, choose the workspace and the specific project you want to focus on. Workspaces in ClickUp act as the overarching containers for your various projects, giving you the flexibility to manage different teams and initiatives under a unified platform. Selecting the right workspace and project ensures that you're prioritizing tasks in the correct context. Once you've chosen your project, navigate over to the list view. The list view provides a detailed look at all your tasks and is one of the core views in ClickUp. It's perfect for managing tasks because it lays them out in an easy-to-read manner, almost like a to-do list. You'll be able to see each task displayed neatly, along with its details and current status. Now, select the task you wish to prioritize. This is often the step where people become overwhelmed due to numerous tasks listed, but putting thought into prioritizing tasks is crucial. Once you've clicked on a task, you'll see various options and details related to it. Click on the priority button. This feature allows you to categorize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Here, you'll find different levels of priority: low, normal, high, and urgent. Each one serves a different purpose. If something is a top of the morning task that demands immediate attention, go ahead and click on urgent. This not only indicates to you the importance of the task, but it also communicates its urgency to anyone involved in the project. Choosing the right priority level can make all the difference in ensuring no task falls through the cracks and that your workload is balanced efficiently. So there you have it. You've successfully set the priority for a task in ClickUp, making sure everyone knows which tasks are most pressing. Remember, regularly updating the priority as projects evolve is crucial to maintaining a smooth workflow. Don't forget to save your changes and communicate with your team about updates to ensure everyone stays on the same page. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ClickUp tips and productivity hacks. Happy task managing!